And then lift your right leg, tap the inside of your right leg with your right poi, and turn right to overhand weave. Yes. Okay, now do a right turn 360, and weave. And then do a left turn 360, then open it up, circles on the right, and we're gonna sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep over, and come down. And step your right foot forward. Now we're gonna do that again. So it's a chasing the sun, turn around to the left, 360. So we sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right. And sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right. And now we'll switch the feet. So the left foot's forward. Now we're gonna turn to the right instead of the left. Sweep back right, step your left foot forward, sweep over toward me, step left foot forward again. So it's a right 360 chasing the sun, sweep back, step, sweep over, step. And sweep back, step, sweep over, step. And then we'll go one more time, 360 to the right to chase the sun, sweep back, step. This time don't step again, so you come down and overhand on the right. And now stall your right poi, come back to overhand butterfly, take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left, angel twice, 1 and 2. Now thread the needle, thread the needle, thread the needle. Now plane shifted up, 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 over the head. And now tap the right poi on your butt and counterclockwise corkscrew, turning to the left. Yes, 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 yes. Come back to the front. Plane shifted up to vertical, come down into overhand weave on the left, turn right to underhand weave, come up to pinwheel, make it big, make it big, make it big. Now together time pinwheel, 1 and 2 and 3. Now big, and repeat, 1 and 2 and 3 and big. And now down on the left into the overhand weave. And right turn 360 in the weave. And then left turn 360 in the weave. Open it up. Right turn 360 in the chase the sun. Okay, let's do it again. So sweep back low to the right, step, sweep over away from me. The second time. Yes, good. Now switch your feet. And we'll do the left chase the sun, 360. So you sweep back low, then sweep over. Okay, now stall your left poi, come into overhand butterfly, and now do a butterfly turn around to the left, back to the front, and then a butterfly turn around to the right, back to the front,